जी भैया, तो आप ये देखें, ये बस है, ये होती है टूर बस। इसके ऊपर इस बस पे मैं मैनचेस्टर, आई बिलीव इन शंघाई या बीजिंग में से किसी एक जिले में, बार्सिलोना और लंदन। तो मैं ये बसें जो होती है ना, इससे आपका ये बड़ा सस्ता पड़ता है, $30-40 का। मुझे पता नहीं, मैं यहाँ का ज़रा पता करके आप लोगों को बताता हूँ कितने का ये। मे बी नॉट टुडे, मे बी सम अदर डे। मेरे दिमाग में है ये कि मैं इसके ऊपर जो है साइट सीइंग इस पे लिखा होगा, सीजनल बोट क्रूज 24 hour. So how much is this bus and how long is the ticket?
It's $60.
Okay, for how many days? 2 days?
It's gonna be 1 day, 24 hours.
Oh, 1 day, 24 hours.
Yes, here we go.
$60, eh?
That's
Used to be
correct.
40 or 30 or 35, 40.
No,
Everything gone up. I know. Don't worry. I'm not arguing. I'm not blaming you.
but we have a boat tour.
Oh, is a boat tour included in it?
Yep, here, boat tour. From here, all around the island and return here.
Oh, is that right?
Yes, yes. And you can go on and off every single stop. You can keep that. And
Okay.
we have a bar on board. A bar on board the boat tour.
And how long is the boat tour?
45 minutes.
That's not bad.
That's not bad.
$60, eh?
Yep.
Okay, next Saturday.
Okay.
I'm here.
I
Don't you disappear.
maybe I'm here, maybe I'm dead. Who knows?
No, man. I want you. I'm gonna pray all week
Thank you very much.
for your healthy life till next Saturday. After that, no guarantee.
Okay.
So we promise.
It's there. Yes.
All right. Take care, eh?
Bye bye.
No, it's too late for me, but definitely next Saturday.
Okay. Cool.
So $60, eh?
Yep.
So if you get it by 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, you can have until next day, 12 o'clock.
That's correct.
Yeah, because I traveled in Barcelona, Shanghai, London, Manchester on these buses, and I love it. Sightseeing buses. I mean, it saves a lot of time, man.
Yeah.
You can
Very cool. Yeah.
pop in, pop out.
Yes.
Hop in, hop out. That's what I remember in London. It's
Up in,
called.
up, up. Yeah.
That's what they call over here too?
Yes. Up in, up, up. Yeah. The same thing. You get the point.
Yeah. All right.
That's a very nice camera, by the way.
Oh yeah, it's working. It's doing the job. Nobody knows what I'm doing.
Yeah. Well, I know that there is a camera pointing to me.
Yeah, but I normally have it like this. So people look at my face. They don't look at my hand, what I got in my hand. So it works.
Hello. Two tickets. Two tickets.
तो बॉस आपने सुन लिया. This is really worth it. Honestly speaking, it's worth it. I wish I have other bag. क्योंकि मेरे पास बहुत सारे ब्रोशर और ये और वो. चले भी यार, अब यहाँ से निकलते हैं. काफ़ी टाइम ज़ाया किया मैंने आप लोगों का. वापस चलते हैं. ये चचा मियाँ क्या कर रहे हैं यार, देखें आग जला के. चचा मियाँ आग जलाए हैं. Let me see.
Everybody clap now! Louder! Yes! Guys, my name is John Park. Please don't leave. Sir, don't go away. It makes you look cheap. Folks, if you can make it a 5 today, I'll go home happy. If you give me a 10, I'll go home very happy. And if you give me a 20, the street performer's dream.